2001 over there.
They fixed it?
Yeah, and the Thunderbolt's fixed too. Oh my God.
We should have freaking stayed. Let's go back.
Hold up.
Let's go back.
Hold up.
Oh my God. We should have stayed.
That's a Thunderbolt. It's an attack.
You should have been ready, bro.
This ain't even a test day.
But I think we need to get
Hold up. No, it's okay.
This ain't even a test day then.
Thunderbolt's an attack.
Have you ever heard of Thunderbolt like that?
No, not an attack.
That's a freaking thing. Everybody's
Okay. Very unexpected test. Today is a Wednesday.
I bet we can make it home before they turn off. It's gonna end up burning back. Why is it doing that? Let's go.
So, for some reason, the Thunderbolt's an attack signal, and Altus doesn't sound for fire call. There isn't. It's just, what if they changed their testing time to Wednesdays?
We would have known.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. Well, that was a very unexpected test. Oh, wow.
I bet we could have heard it longer.
Yeah. But it wasn't that one, it would be a lot louder because that siren's right there. Where is it? Right there.
That's Thunderbolt 1000?
No, it's a 1000T.
2001s or whatever that one was. Those are way louder than I thought. Like, we're far from it, and it's still pretty loud.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Didn't expect that to happen, and it's Wednesday. They might have done a Veterans Day sound off or
We
something.
got lucky that we got our phone out in time.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.